Hey guys, it's Phil. This is just a preview of my newest song. Small town doing big things. So much talent in this world, yet it's so hard to make it. Seems like you have to have a milli just to be famous. You have to know the right people or be born into the scene. You have to have a lot of things that most of us have never seen. Nice shoes, nice cars, nice clothes, nice phone, nice style, nice home. A lot of us are living at or below poverty. With that said, don't care what you thought of me. Raised in Kansas with barely 1,000 people, scratching, digging, clawing my way up to the steeple. I promise one day the whole world would know my name, and they'll give back to all who've helped pave the way. I may not originally be from Kansas, considering that I was born out in the Bay, but this is where my heart is. I'll rep the Midwest any day. See, coming from a small town, you learn some things you can't in the city. Like, what's life really about? The scenery so pretty, people honest, fake, and always seem to greet you. If you're from out of town, I guarantee we wanna meet you. Tell us where you're from and what brought you here. We wave and smile all day long, together full of cheer. So please excuse me while I put my city on the map. Downs, Kansas, that is where I'm at. Middle of the map, smaller than you ever thought. I'm gonna make a name for us while I've got the shot. I'm too hot, the rest of this is all just a freestyle. I can flow for days, got bars for a while. Listen to me when I spit it on the track. I'm about to bring it back, I got the KC emblem on my hat. I'm about to put my city up on the map. DOWNS, that is where I'm at. Osborne County, OB, yeah, look at me, I'm flowing so good. Hope you liked it.